In this video, I'm going to show you how to construct an effective keyword search. So one of the things you have to understand is that when you're searching library databases, you don't ask a question like you might ask using an AI tool or even as a Google search. Instead, you have to think about your question and then pull out the most important words to search with, because you're trying to find the words that most researchers or writers would have used to describe what you're looking for. So in this example, my question is, are overweight kids more likely to get diabetes? So this is my question, and I have to think, if I'm going to look in some article databases, what are the words I should search with? So maybe some of the first words I want to look at is, who am I talking about? Kids, right? What am I talking about? Overweight, if they're overweight, right? And the disease, diabetes. And then I can stop and think for a second, are there any synonyms for these words? Either words that are more formal or words that are less formal. So diabetes is the name of a disease. I think it's always going to be like that. Overweight, I think will always be overweight. But when I look at kids, I have to think about, are there more formal terms for kids? And there are. One of them is children. Right? So when I look in these databases, what I want to do is I could look for the word kids, but I also want to look for children, because there are different types of articles. And if I'm looking for a scholarly or peer-reviewed article, which is a research article written by researchers for researchers, they're going to use more formal language. So likely they're going to use this term children. So I'm going to go into one of our research databases. This is Academic Search Complete. And I can start with my search. So I could start off just searching for children and diabetes and overweight, right? And what I've done here is I've separated my search terms with this and all in capital letters. This and is a computer command, so it's telling the search engine in the database, bring me back articles that talk about children and diabetes and overweight. Let's see what we get. So I have over 4,000 results. The first thing I want to do in any article database is limit to full text. And now I have, a little more than 1,600 results. And I have different types of sources. So I have academic journals, which are the scholarly journals, the research journals. I also have magazine articles and newspaper articles. And all of these databases you can limit by your source type based on what's required by your professor or what you're looking for. And if I scroll down, I'm going to see the preview of the articles right here. And we've got the title of the article at the top. If I scroll down, there will be an abstract, which is talking about the study that was done. And then there are also other subject terms that were used. So if I could launch a whole new search in this database by clicking on any one of those terms. And hopefully learning how to do keyword searches will improve your search accuracy. However, if you get stuck doing any kind of searching, you are not finding what you're looking for, if you go on any page of the library's website, over here on the right hand side, you'll see this little orange rectangle that says Chat with a Librarian. That will get you to a real live person like me, and we can help you develop better keywords, pick a different database, or anything like that to make it easier for you to find what you're looking for.